Hi all, welcome to Little Talk section. In this video, we're going to see about the Python library series. As the first one, we are going to talk about Matplot library series. This is an important phase in Matplot library. Markers. So with this markers only, we can make all the graphs available with the pointers and the lines. Everything will be designed here only. So it's a big video, so we can continue all those things. So we are using the marker keyword to specify a marker. First one is we have an array with 3, 8, 1, 10 points, y points. So there is no x points. We all know how it will work. So they are pointing y points. So based on the x values, based on the y values, it will point starting from 0.00 to the next points. So the marker here is O. So the O is available as the endpoints of each marker points. It is designed as a circle, as you see in the 3, 8 or 3, 0.0, 2, 1, 2.0. Everywhere we can see a circle. That circle is available with the help of this marker O. Instead of the marker O, we can use marker star. So that star is available in the endpoints. Markers reference. So we have variety of markers here. O for circle, star, asterisk for star, dot for point, comma for pixels. Many things are available. Please go through it. Format strings FMT. So this is used for formatting the strings using markers or lines or color. The reference here O colon R is used. So which means the reference is pointed instead of the line. It is pointed as the dots, and it should be in the red color. We can also have line references. So we can use solid line, dotted line, dash line, and a dash dotted line. So for that we can use hyphen, colon, double hyphen, and single hyphen plus dot. Color reference. So we have color reference like R for red, G for green, B for blue. So like some color codes are there. We can use the color codes to color the lines. We can also fix the marker size using MS. So here the marker is O. So for that the circle is coming, and the MS is 20. So the size is becoming 20 now. You can also pinpoint the marker edge color, that is handled through a code called MEC. You can see the marker is O now. MS is 20 and MEC is R. So there is a red color round on the top of the marker is placed. We can also fix the marker face color, that is through the MFC. We can now see the marker face color is red and the outer color is blue. So MFC is equal to R. Now one question will arise here. So we can use MEC and MFC as for the entire marker. Yes, of course we can use that one also. Here you can note that MEC is R and MFC is R. So both were R. So both should be in red color. So the round face is in red color and the around edge corner also in red color. We have another question like can we use hexadecimal color patterns like hash AC0203 like that? So yes, of course we can use that as here MEC and MFC is given with two different color points. Hash for CA is 50. So that color code is green, that is depicted in the output. One more thing is we can support 140 supported color names are available. The pink color is spotted for the edge and the face, so the hot pink. Thanks for watching the video. Welcome to Programmers Defense. Please subscribe my channel.